Oh, hello there. So this company I've been watching, or I guess looking at for a while now, they make it, it's called, I mean, it's super cheesy, right? It's made by sinco.tech, it says there's sinco.tech? Sicko mode. S-I-C-O tech. I thought it was Sinco. I don't know. I think they changed the name for America or whatever. Anyways, I've been looking at their instrument cluster because they sell this pretty cheap one that has all these inputs you can do. So I just, and it's pretty affordable compared to like an AEM dash or compared to like an AEM dash or something. I think this runs about like 500 US-ish. Anyways, it's a instrument panel, or like an instrument cluster that got some good weight to it. It's not bad. Obviously I'm gonna have to hook all these things up, but it's got shift lights and other things. And it's pretty affordable, like I said, compared to the other ones. So I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. Yeah. And it's not grabbing from the OBD or anything. It's grabbing from its own inputs, outputs, whatever, inputs and outputs. So here's a little box that comes with it. I think you have to mount a specific way for the telemetry. It has telemetry. It's kind of cool. Let's see. Now here's a little manual, all in your native language. Here's an English one. So you got vehicle heading. So I'm assuming you install it a specific way, orientation. Comes with a USB to USB cable, like a little extender. Comes with all your pigtails for your sensors and a bunch of soldered wires. Comes with a pressure sensor, so you can use for anything really, like oil or fuel. I think I'm gonna go with, I don't know what I want to go with, engine oil. I want fuel pressure, oil pressure. Obviously comes with a EGT or a ECT, whatever you can use it on, I guess. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what it says it is. That is an EGT sensor. That's kind of cool. And you can use it for anything else, really. So what it comes with is, it comes with a boost sensor, oil pressure, AF sensor, but I'm pretty sure it's narrowband, so I won't be using that. Oil temp sensor, if I want EGT, a water temp sensor, and ECU speed signal line, and a coil, ECU RPM. Right, so the only downside for this is it doesn't have a speed sensor. Like, it doesn't go off GPS, but I found this thing on eBay that I'm gonna try and tap into the speed sensor on these. Here's some more temp sensors. That's the EGT, that is the EGT, and then some shitty ass. I call this like for fish tanks. This is garbage. Unless you got a fish tank. Here's one pigtail. Here's the boost pressure sensor. And then the cable that goes from the screen to your little box. Okay, so yeah, these are all your inputs. So the one, so it has the power, boost, oil. I guess you could use your AF signal for, I'm not sure if it's gonna display on that. You can probably change that and change it to anything you want, really. It's a 3-wire. EGT is only 2-wire. And then you have ECU speed signal line. And then you have 10 is RPM. ECU, I'm not sure if that's engine speed. Anyways, I found this sensor online that goes off GPS, and I'm not sure what it looks like on the other end, but it goes off GPS and it's like a speed sensor. So I'm hoping that I can hook the speed sensor up to this without having to use the tone wheel on the drive shaft or something. So it's pretty cool. I know there's another guy that did a review on this online, on the line. So it should be pretty sweet. Pretty freaking sweet, dude. Interesting to see what I don't think it tells you. Oh, 11. So it gives you, so 1 and 2 can be whatever you want, up to 4 wires. But it doesn't tell you which is ground, signal, or power. It says alternate, so I'm assuming that's extra. And then number 3 is your power and ground, boost, oil, air, oil, water, temperature, RPM. So 10 is RPM vehicle speed signal green line, ECU signal, orange line, alternate instrument, VGA port. Alternate. So I'm wondering if it gives you these 2 alternate ones. I don't know what this. I was talking to him on Facebook, but yeah, it's got lap times and stuff. But I mean, it's too hard to. Yeah, I've got all this. I don't know when I'm gonna get this set up, but I'll make a spot for it in the cluster thing. It's got a little raised lip, so you can probably just pop it in something. It'll be pretty sweet. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. Cool.